Gotta say, hands down, Fiji has been one of the best vacations I've ever been on. This place is absolutely amazing.
We're going to Fiji.
Yeah.
Just the two of us.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we brought the leaves. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Different breed, 'cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go to we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-ah. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
Alright, we are on our way to Castaway Island and to explore a few of the other islands and go snorkeling by ourselves. We're on our own private boat, so this is going to be awesome.
Yeah, looking forward to the snorkeling, the clear blue water.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level.
woke up this morning, getting a little bit of rain. Not going to dampen our spirits. Still going to have a lot of fun. Probably going to go do some snorkeling. But it's still so beautiful out here.